Hi everyone, this is one of the nicest thing I created. Let's take a look. You see, it's pretty amazing and beautiful. So how we can create them? Okay, the first thing is that it's maybe look hard at the first, but it's really easy to create that. And I'm going to change the color. I'm going to use the white background here. And after that, it's hard to create this thing. How we create this thing? I'm going to copy the text. As you agree, the text has nothing special to it. So I'm going to just copy the text for now. And after that, we are going to try to create that thing. Okay, these are the texts. So how we can create these things? It's really easy. You need to create a text box and write th in that or everything else you want. Change the font to Overdrive Sunset. Increase it in size. It's important, the size. Then try to create a shape of it. And after some copy, you will understand the shape you want is going to how it's look. Okay, let me just fix it. I'm going to select all of them, bring them down. But you see, we need a little space in the top, so I'm going to delete some of them to create that space in the top. Okay, I think it's enough space in the top. And I'm going to select all of them, go to shape format and make them one shape. You see, now your shape is here, but there is a problem. The problem is that I don't select all of the shapes, so I need to delete these things to have this. This shape is created like that. Okay, now let me just copy these two. You can easily create both of them, as you see, and send them to back. After creating them, they are just shape. You can color them. We are going to use the color black. And after that, I'm going to change the shape color to white and copy that. So how we need to create the effects, it's really important. This is the last thing. So how we create the effect? Some of you may have some thoughts up until now, but it's really up to you how to create that. You can make an easy effect for they coming in or take it to another step. For example, I'm going to just simply create a shape here and make them combine. Not combine, sorry. Make them fragment. But it's very important to be sure when you are going to make them fragment, because it's going to destroy everything. So I think for now it's not important to do something that need a lot of works. So I'm going to use this thing instead. I'm going to use two of them here and just simply select both of them, set the slide background and give them no outline. Then copy these two, paste them here and just simply bring them out. And for this darkness, I think it's a starter, and set the transition to morph. Your slide is ready. Let's take a look. You see, the effect is really breathtaking and I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time. Bye.